Crypto news today is on fire, and the markets are giving traders and investors plenty to talk about this Monday, August 25th, 2025. If you're tuning in, make sure you hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and join our growing community so you don't miss any of the daily updates that can change your perspective on what's next for the financial world. Now let's dive deep into the whirlwind of developments shaping the crypto space today. The biggest headline shaking the community is none other than the dramatic Bitcoin flash crash. In the early hours, a single whale transaction sent shockwaves across exchanges. Over 24,000 Bitcoin, valued at more than $2.7 billion, was offloaded almost in one go. The impact was immediate. Bitcoin's price plummeted within minutes, dragging leveraged traders into chaos. Exchanges reported billions in liquidations as long positions got wiped out, with traders left stunned by the sudden drop. But what shocked everyone even more was Bitcoin's resilience. After this massive sell-off, the number one cryptocurrency bounced back with extraordinary speed, stabilizing just under the $110,000 mark. Such quick recovery reminded everyone why Bitcoin remains the king of digital assets: volatile, unpredictable, yet unshakably strong in the long term. While Bitcoin's drama played out, Ethereum was also making waves. Earlier in the day, Ethereum spiked above $4,900, briefly flirting with new record highs before pulling back to hover around $4,700. The excitement was palpable, as many analysts believe Ethereum is gearing up for a sustained bull run fueled by its dominant position in decentralized finance, NFT infrastructure, and now a stronger foothold in enterprise blockchain adoption. Developers across industries continue to build Layer 2 solutions and scaling technologies on Ethereum, further cementing its role as the backbone of Web3. For holders, this upward momentum adds fuel to long-term bullish expectations, while short-term traders are eyeing breakout levels as signals of what could be a historic rally. XRP, too, is holding strong and refuses to be left out of the conversation. With its price holding above the $3 mark, XRP is proving its ability to weather volatility better than many expected. Its increasing adoption in cross-border transactions and real-world payment solutions makes it a fascinating player in this landscape. Ripple's ongoing partnerships with banks and financial institutions are creating a use case that's becoming harder to ignore, and the market is responding accordingly. Across the broader crypto market, altcoins are showing mixed signals. Some are rallying alongside Ethereum, while others are facing sell-offs tied to Bitcoin's sudden drop. The global market cap trimmed about 1% overall, but beneath the surface, traders are watching closely as liquidity shifts from one project to another. Layer 1 protocols, DeFi tokens, and gaming-focused assets are still attracting strong investor interest, especially as institutional players show increasing willingness to dip their toes into sectors that were once dominated only by retail traders. The psychology of the market today is perhaps the most important story. Veteran traders will tell you that flash crashes like this don't just test charts, they test emotions. Many newcomers who entered the space recently felt the panic as Bitcoin fell rapidly, but those who stayed calm or even bought the dip are the ones walking away with smiles today. This emotional rollercoaster is exactly why education, patience, and risk management are crucial in crypto. It's not just about chasing green candles, it's about understanding that extreme volatility is baked into the DNA of digital assets. Beyond price action, today's updates highlight another critical trend: the rising dominance of whales and institutional movements. Large players continue to influence market direction, and their actions leave visible footprints. Transparency on-chain allows the community to track these movements, but reacting wisely is where the real challenge lies. The 24,000 Bitcoin sell-off is a reminder of just how concentrated influence can be, yet it also shows the maturity of the market in absorbing such events and recovering quickly. Looking ahead, speculation is high about what the rest of the week could bring. Will Bitcoin push back toward 115,000 and beyond, or will consolidation hold it under the psychological barrier of 110,000? Will Ethereum finally secure that elusive breakout over 5,000, signaling a new chapter in its history? And can altcoins ride the momentum to create another round of massive gains, or are we entering a cautious phase of retracement? Analysts are divided, but the energy in the space is undeniable. For long-term believers, none of this changes the big picture. Blockchain adoption is accelerating, institutions are integrating crypto into their balance sheets, governments are drafting clearer regulations, and innovation continues at breakneck speed. Whether it's developments in decentralized finance, cross-border settlements, tokenized assets, or gaming metaverses, crypto is proving itself to be more than just speculative trading. It's becoming the financial infrastructure of the future. At the same time, risks remain. Regulatory uncertainty still casts a shadow over some markets, especially in regions where governments are playing catch-up with innovation. Hacks and exploits continue to challenge the security of DeFi protocols, reminding everyone that safety and due diligence must remain a priority. And as always, volatility is both the blessing and curse of this industry, creating opportunities for some and devastation for others depending on how they manage their positions. So as we wrap up today's crypto update for August 25, 2025, the key takeaways are clear. Bitcoin remains as unpredictable as ever but shows remarkable strength in bouncing back from a multi-billion-dollar dump. Ethereum is inching closer to new heights, positioning itself as the most crucial player in decentralized technology. XRP continues to deliver stability and real-world use cases, proving its value beyond speculation. And the broader market, despite facing turbulence, reflects a growing maturity and resilience that hints at even bigger things to come. If you made it this far, you're clearly dedicated to staying informed and ahead in this fast-moving market. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, give this video a like, and drop a comment with your thoughts on where Bitcoin, Ethereum, and the rest of the crypto market are heading this week. Your support helps us grow, and your insights help fuel meaningful conversations in this community. Stay tuned for more daily updates, and remember, the crypto market never sleeps, so neither should your knowledge.